Hello and welcome to How Not to Make Ponzu chili steak bowls with garlic ginger rice, snap peas, and chili mayo. Again, this is a part of the show that you definitely want to pause so you can review the steps before they go hyperspeed. So what you've already seen, I've melted some butter, added garlic, and half the ginger to the rice that I'm just pouring in right there. So now we've got about 2¼ cups of water going in. Some salt is coming up. So we'll be stirring that, and then basically after it's boiling, reducing the heat to low, covering, and putting off to the side for 15 to maybe 18 minutes. So snap peas are annoying. I don't know if these were just really young snap peas or however it is, because I did have a significant struggle pulling, I guess, the stem or whatever it is, and getting all the strings out. So as you can see, I did successfully manage every now and again to get the string, but yeah, not an ingredient I would frequently use just because it's not the most amazing taste, and it does have one of the longer prep times as things like that go. So I did have quite a lot of snap peas for this recipe, and at the end of the day, yeah, I just don't think it was that worth it. Anyway, I'm eventually heating some oil in the pan, dropping in these snap peas, and cooking them undisturbed for about a minute or two. And also what you see going on with that little small bowl there, that's going to be what we drop on top at the very end. So it's mayonnaise, chili sauce, a little bit of water, salt and pepper, all stirred together. So now the exciting part, the diced steak is being dropped in with some oil. Next we have the exciting part of putting in a bunch of sauces, some garlic, and all that excitement. So I've sped this up just a little bit because it looked as though it was a tediously long process, even though in reality this was one of the easier steps of this recipe. So here we've got the steak is all done cooking, salt and pepper, some stirring. Next thing we're going to do, I believe, is plating. So, of course, season the rice, fluff the rice, all that excitement. Then we're going to go ahead and drop it in some bowls alongside the steak. You can see that one down there has already got some steak on it. Here we got the steak on top of this one. Here come the snap peas. I put them in Tupperware to keep them warm in the downtime. And, of course, we'll use the Tupperware for the leftovers at the end of the day anyway. And now comes the mayo, chili mayo. So delicately pour that on top for the ideal presentation. Whatever you use to make it work, it's all good. So here's our closer look. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.